Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having another good day, bringing y'all another day of content. So smash that like button if you are going to enjoy this video. I know you will, because you guys watched yesterday's video. If you didn't, go check out yesterday's video. Like always, I'll have all my videos in a playlist and it's on the channel. Check out yesterday's video. If you did not watch yesterday's video, I highly encourage you check out yesterday's video. Dropped a lot of awesome information for all of you guys out there. Promo codes, discounts, save money, okay? I'm telling you guys right now, the PPE promo code is only going until March 31st, and if you're in the market to change out your trans fluid or your axle fluid, right now is the time to go over there and get that order. I'm not telling you this to be a salesman. I'm telling you this because when you, and probably not until like Black Friday or 4th of July or something, you know, Memorial Day, May, they might not even have a sale then, but they will for Black Friday. But anyways, you get what I'm saying. Go over there, save you 15% off a $250, $350 trans pan or rear diff cover. That 15% off of that, you know, that's some money right there, okay? So today's video is we're gonna be dropping jam handles on the truck. Super simple mod. This is probably gonna be one of the fastest mods I've done on my truck, probably since I don't know. It's been a while. I think maybe the fuel. No, the fuel filter delete took longer. I don't know, but it's gonna be super quick. So I'm gonna grab the stuff, get to the truck, show you guys what we're working with. We got some nasty weather outside, so I don't want to get caught in the rain. So enjoy. Hey guys, so we're out here. We're right outside the cockpit of the Mega Slab. So this is how simple installing your jam handles are. Okay, you peel the tape, you find a sweet spot in your door, you stick it on. So this is gonna be my spot next to my little tire chart, whatever. Stay right there, smack it on, let it dry. I feel rain coming down, so excuse me if it sounds like I'm rushing. I already peeled the tape off of this. Check this out. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, let's go back to the Okay, we're back. So all we had to do was we had to find a spot. I didn't realize standing from this side you can't tell, but over here there's a curve like right there. So you just move up a little bit, it gets nice and straight. So you just come over here, find you a little spot like that, smack that bad boy on, give it a nice press. I hope when I close the door it doesn't hit it. Don't know yet, but we'll find out. So yeah, you press it on like that, and the moment of truth. Now, disclaimer, do not try to use it as soon as you stick it on. You actually want to wait about 24 hours to let the glue adhere to it. So just put it on at night, wake up the next day, you should be good. Obviously for video purposes, I'm going to demonstrate it, and bada boom, door closes, no issues. Amp steps went up, open it up, it's still there, it's not moved, it's not scratched, so it clears here. Now I did put it on a little crooked. I feel kind of embarrassed about that, but actually I don't care because it gives it character, so whatever. But that's it. Jam handles. Now, the purpose of this right here is to not let that happen, okay? So if you look real close, see if I can get in on it. You see all those scratch marks? That little chip right there too, going down, all that. That is why you get jam handles, because when we get out our trucks, how we do it, I don't know about y'all, but when I get out my truck, I go right here and close the door. That's what I do. You shouldn't, because that's what happens to your paint. So jam handles is hence their motto, preserve your paint. All right, this is super awesome. Preserve that paint. I got one for the driver door and the passenger door. I rarely have people in the back seat, so I don't care. But yeah, I mean, it's that simple. All right, so I went ahead and did the passenger side door. This side looks a little prettier because, you know, it's all nice and straight ish, but that's it. So like I said, you know, when you press it on, make sure you just press it on, hold it for, you know, maybe 30 seconds to a minute. That way you know the tape is going to adhere to it. This is the 4-finger model. They have 3 fingers, and I believe they have 2-finger models. So and they have a ton of options. They got one that I was super interested in. It was a glow in the dark one, and it wasn't no Chuck E. Cheese, you know, glow in the dark. It was the legit, you know, that stuff you see the UFOs flying with. So I'm just kidding. So just like that, we just finished up that job. Super simple, super quick. I think that took like 10 minutes of my time, and that includes filming, which is nothing. One more thing I forgot to mention, make sure you use some sort of wax grease remover. Rubbing alcohol works great. Wipe the surface down before applying it. That way you get maximum adhesion. if it's really cold outside, so like for instance, when I was peeling the tape off, it's not cold out here. It's actually like 60 degrees, 65 degrees today. But if it's really cold and you're trying to put it on, I would recommend warming up the surface of the paint, maybe with a heat gun, a lighter, something. Just get it a little warm so that way when you stick it on there, that glue can really get on there, you know what I'm saying? So remember, jam handle, promo code, everything diesel. All right, I had mentioned that in my video yesterday. If you watched it, if you didn't, like I said, check it out. But promo code everything diesel will save you 20% off all jam handle orders. You can get it for all 4 doors. You can get it for the back hatch. You know, if you got an SUV like a Yukon or something where the hatch comes up, you can get it for. You can use it really wherever you want to use it. You don't even have to use it only on vehicles. Maybe you got a sliding window and the handle broke off or something, or you know, you got a window that doesn't have a handle. It's cheap, man. It's cheap. You know what I'm saying? So once again, Jam Handle family, thank you guys so much. Sent me out a t-shirt and sent me out the 2 aluminum or stainless, not stainless, okay, polished aluminum jam handles. Thank you guys so much. Super quick video, you guys. Thank you so much. Look forward to what we got next. Oil change video. We got oil change video. Americana Global. Americana Global. Ooh. Just reminded myself, Americana Global was nice enough to send us a promo code for the channel, 15% off your order, everything diesel, no space, so everything diesel, all right? Saves you 15% off Americana Global products, which is auto detailing products, if you guys weren't aware of, okay? I just thought of something that's kind of random, okay? So I've had people hit me up, call me, they, you know, whatever. Or they see me out, you know, and they're like, oh bro, it's everything diesel. I'm like, I don't say nothing to them, but I'm like, no, it's not everything diesel. That's not me. I'm everything diesel, okay? I had to make it a little special, a little different. Now I don't know why, that just randomly popped up in my mind. But thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you tap the bell notification, because what's happening is apparently I'm uploading videos and YouTube's not letting everybody know. So when you hit the bell notification, you automatically every time will get a notification that I put a video up, so that way you know when the videos are coming up, because I have seen people tell me they didn't even know the video came out like 3 or 4 videos later. So once again, thank you guys. Until next time, take it easy, have a good work week, be safe, peace out, and God bless.